Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a very simple Togolese recipe, very delicious, using beans. Hope you are well. I'm transferring the beans into this bowl. I'm going to rinse it 3 to 4 times. I'm using the peeled beans because it's very easy, but you can also soak the actual beans if you don't have the peeled one, and then rinse it properly and remove the skin. Now I'm boiling the water and I'm going to let the beans cooked properly until it's all soft. I'm adding a little bit of bicarbonate because it helps the beans cook quick. Make sure you keep stirring and cook at a medium heat. Now it's halfway cooked and I'm going to start mashing it. You mash it up properly and you're going to obtain the beans puree. And in Togo, we call this adowe. I don't know if you have a similar recipe in your country. Kindly drop the name in the comment section. And if today is your first time here, I'm Kayi. Consider subscribing so you can get my notifications each time I upload a new video. Now let's make the sauce. I'm going in now with some oil. I'm using rapeseed oil. You can use olive oil. Chop some onions, which I'm going in now with after heating up the oil a little bit, and I will be adding about 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of ginger and garlic powder and keep stirring. Make sure you are cooking this on a low medium heat. You need to have the sauce a little bit spicy, so feel free again to use fresh scotch bonnet or ground scotch bonnet or simply crushed chilies. I added a little bit of all-purpose seasoning as well, and I'm going to let this cook for a few more minutes and the sauce will be ready. At this point, you can reduce the heat and let the sauce cool down. And this is the puree of the beans, and it looks very creamy and soft. You can leave it here for another 2 to 3 minutes and let the water evaporate completely if you want to, and that's what I'm going to do, but you can enjoy it still at this point. And this is it, it's ready. I'm going to serve it and add the sauce. Kindly drop a like if you are enjoying the recipe. Some people use just red palm oil or coconut oil as well for this recipe. If you don't want to make the sauce, you can use those two as well. Perfectly great, and you're going to love it. And there you have it, our adowe is ready. Another simple, quick, easy recipe, a Togolese delicacy. I just love it. I'm going to add the gari now, and of course, as usual, you are invited to join me. Grab a fork or a spoon. In Togo, we say midunulo, meaning you are invited to join me. And don't forget to let me know if you're going to pair this with gari, a baguette, or sweet bread. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Au revoir. Bye for now.